My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has done just over 58,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control, voice control, and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, to the left, we can access radio, CD, and aux. On the right, we have map, navigation, information, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.